over here. You can bring your, you can sit outside, listen to the music. They do have some games over here. They have the cornhole game, along with some other games. They have basketball hoops. I don't know how long that's going to be standing up, but they got some basketball hoop where you can shoot some hoops. Uh, yeah, they have games over here, baby. Games. You can play some hoops, shoot some hoops. They have like a big Connect Four, and they also have the cornhole game. Let me come over here and see the cornhole game. I've seen it, but I've never played.